Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is April if this is your first time here, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you a demo on how I do my brows, also the products and the brushes that I use. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a video. So now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is start by brushing our brows up in place, and I'm just going to use a spoolie. You can get a spoolie almost anywhere, to be honest. And I'm just gonna brush my brows up and in place. And I look crazy without brows. And then the next thing I'm gonna use is my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade NC45. And I take just one pump of that onto the back of my hand like this. And I'm going to use my MAC 212 brush, which is just a straight edge brush that looks like this. Now you could use, I have seen some people use a brush like this to clean up underneath their brows, but I prefer a straight edge brush. So either one works. I would just see which one you like better. So I know some people like to do the brow first and then clean up underneath, but I personally tried one time just cleaning it up first and then filling it in, and ever since then that's how I've been doing my brows. So that's how I'm going to show you to do it today. So I'm just going to draw a line right underneath like that. And then I'm gonna pull it down. So I'm just pulling the concealer down. Next, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush that looks like this. It's so old and raggedy, but I always use it. And I just take that and blend out the concealer underneath. Now, I usually do my brows first before I do my foundation and eyeshadow and all that. Because to be honest guys, I hate doing my brows. Brows are like, oh, I hate doing it. I want to get it done and over with so fast. I'm so irritated at the thought of doing my brows. So I try to do that first to get it out the way. But because this video is about brows, I decided to do my brows last. And now that we have them carved out underneath, I'm going to go in with my MAC eyeshadow. This is in the shade Espresso. And it's just a brown eyeshadow. Looks like that. And I'm just going to take a 263, no, this is a 266 angle brush. This is also by MAC. And I literally just take it in like this on its side. And then next I'm going to just fill in the brow. And I'm just following my brow shape. Right around here where my arch is, I do kind of bring that up a little bit higher just to give my brow like a more lifted appearance. Then when I get to the front, I just push up very lightly. And then when I do the top part, I just draw a straight line like that. And so I try not to fuss too much with my brows because leave it up to me and I will be here all day going back and forth. One is higher than the other one is straighter than the other one is more arched than the other one. Like, sometimes I'm like, who cares? Just get some brows on your face so you can get the hell out the house, you know? So I'm just gonna leave my brows here. I'm not gonna go back and fight with them too much more, but I am going to take my spoolie again and just brush them out. So for the front of my brows, I do like it to have like a more feathered look in the front. So I am going to go in with my MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint. And it's just like this little marker. And I'm going to use that and hit the front of my brows. And I just take it and I start at the base down here and then I pluck up. And this just gives you the ability to draw like little hair-like strokes. Or you could do your whole brow with this. It's totally up to you. I prefer not to though. And then the last step is optional. You don't necessarily have to do it, but I'm going to take my Gimme Brow. This is by Benefit, And this is just like a brow gel, and this is in the shade number 5, and it looks like this. And I'm gonna take that and just brush that right along the brows. And I like to use this on days where I know I'm gonna be outside or it's gonna be hot, or I'm gonna have my makeup on for a really long time, just because it kind of keeps everything in place. It lays my hairs down so they don't start curling up. And they also give a more defined look to the brow. Alright guys, so that is it. Quick, straight into the point. This is how I do my brows. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you want to see a video on like a little mini tutorial on how I do my eyeliner, like my wing liner, let me know in the comments below if you would like to see something like that, or how I do my nude lips, something like that. Just quick little videos in between longer videos. So leave a comment down below and let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.